Did you know that there is a practice that's been used for centuries across cultures to rebuild libido, ease painful sex, and relieve vaginal dryness? Vaginal dryness, pain during sex, loss of libido, these are most common distressing menopausal symptoms, yet are often the ones that are overlooked. They're not just due to low in estrogen, but are caused by two deeper biological shifts: a decline of pelvic blood flow and a breakdown of estrogen sensitive tissue. After menopause, blood flow to vulva, vaginal wall, and clitoris drop dramatically. There's less oxygen, less nutrients, and less repair. Normally, estrogen keeps the blood vessels relaxed and open, and when this level drops, vascular tone tightens and microcirculation slows down. As blood level drops, so does moisture level because it's all related to circulation. On the other hand, without estrogen, vaginal lining thins, collagen and elastin breaks down, natural lubricants like hyaluronic acid and glycogen disappear. This results in less sensitivity, less stretch, and a sense of dryness, numbness, and even disconnection that many of us report. Most modern treatments addressing the symptom directly, and although they can work temporarily, they often omit the root cause. They don't restore circulation, they don't rebuild vascular tissue, and they don't repair the deep structural matrix that estrogen once supported. Without addressing blood flow and tissue oxygenation, even the best tropical cream can feel temporary. And that's why many women said that it only worked for a little. So, what is the number one ancient practice that has been used from centuries across different cultures in different continents that help to rebuild deep blood flow, restore our pelvic vitality, and our nerve sensation? Pelvic heat application. In Korea, chayak, vaginal steam therapy, is used to support tissue healing and clear stagnation after childbirth. In Mayan traditions, pelvic sauna baths were part of La Cuarentena, the 40-day recovery ritual to restore blood flow, womb integrity, and hormone balance. And in China and Vietnam, we use moxa, mugwort heat therapy, to apply it in our lower abdomen to stimulate circulation and replenish yi. Multiple studies have shown that local heat increases capillary dilation, boosts microvascular circulation, and enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery to the tissue. And this matters. Without blood flow, no hormone, even estrogen, can fully repair it. Unlike hormone replacement therapy, heat is a signal that our body always understands. It's non-invasive, it's immediate, it's affordable, that you can do it anywhere. And it is also working with our body's natural healing abilities. So how can we bring this into our modern life? Today, most of us don't have the luxury of a home sauna, but we can still use the same principle with a simple application: external heat therapy on our lower pelvis. This could look like a warm castor oil pack on our lower abdominal, a hot water bottle wrapped around in flannel and placed around our womb space, and a gentle sesame oil massage with warmth and intention. Studies have shown that castor oil penetrates deep into our fascia, promotes lymphatic drainage, and when combined with heat, stimulates blood flow into our pelvic cavity. When castor oil is combined with heat, this combo enhances circulation to estrogen-deprived tissue, reduces pelvic inflammation and pain, and reactivates moisture and repair at the cellular level. In Ayurvedic medicine, sesame oil is used to calm vata, the dry, cold energy that intensifies during perimenopause and menopause. It's warm, grounding, and rich in linoleic acid that helps to promote tissue hydration and skin barrier function. Together with heat, sesame oil helps to support blood flow to the vulva, vaginal canal, and uterus, tissue elasticity and resilience, and sensory connection by supporting both comfort and libido. Whether that is with castor oil or sesame oil, the concept is the same. Nourishment with heat with consistent contact. To do it at home, all you need is 20 minutes and some at-home equipment. With castor oil, soak an organic cotton pad with castor oil, then place it on your lower abdominal right above the pelvic bones. Then apply a hot water bottle or a heating pad on top and rest for about 20 minutes. This activates lymphatic flow, softens fascia, and promotes blood flow to those estrogen-deprived tissues. With sesame oil, warm a small amount of sesame oil and lay down comfortably. Then apply this warm sesame oil on your lower abdominal or on your outer thighs on grounding strokes. You can also apply it to the outer of your vulva, remember not internally. This helps to calm the nerves ending. Then cover the area with a warm towel or apply gentle heat for about 10 to 20 minutes. Have you tried heat therapy for pelvic healing? What is the one ritual that you have used or are willing to try to reconnect to this part of your body? Drop in the comments down below. I would love to know why you subscribed, and let's bring this conversation and our circulation back to life.